In this video, I show you how transitions work in Shotcut.
Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I show you how to use open source software. Today, we're looking at transitions in Shotcut. So to start with, I have dragged a couple of video clips into the playlist and then put them into the timeline. Right now, there is a gap between the two clips, which means a transition cannot take effect. What we need to do is right click and remove. If your clips are already butted up to each other, then you do not need to do that step. Now that they're together, you can drag one of the clips over the other, and when you let go, you see this egg timer style clip in the timeline, which means that this is actually a transition clip. So it's going to take half of this and half of this and merge them together. By default, it's on fade. So if we play it now, it will fade the two clips. If we want to change that, come up to the properties, make sure you've got your transition selected, and then on the drop down here, you can select from multiple predefined options. Let's say we wanted a vertical bar, and we'll try that once more. As you can see, that now goes from top to bottom instead of fading in from one another. Every transition has its own set of options underneath it, and depending on what you want to do will depend on what settings you need for them. You can also custom build your own transitions. This is achieved by a PNG transparent grayscale image that can be created in an image editor. As an example, I haven't made these myself, but John Ray on the forums has created a few really good transitions here. And let's say we wanted this one, the explosion. I can now apply that transition and it will explode or implode. If I wanted to reverse it, I click this button. Now it will explode. One more point to note here is that if you've got audio built into your video clips, then you can also select the crossfade and which one is more prominent, either clip A or clip B. My personal advice when working with transitions is that you want to detach the audio from the videos before using them. I hope that's been helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.